What's happening, Kim folk? Welcome back to channel Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today is Saturday, November 30th. So we're out here, man, and we're actually gonna go out for a little ride, man. It's gonna be me, my nephew, and Joel over there. We actually got another guy coming, John. He actually bought, if you've been around on the channel, you know the wife's 2012 C50T, a Boulevard, Suzuki Boulevard, man. So he ended up buying that. And I told him, I said, hey man, whenever you're ready, let me know and we'll go for a ride. So that's what he did. He hollered at me and said, hey, let's roll. I said, I'm down. So we're gonna head out to Drifters, Yankees, and then probably the Harley dealership over in College Station, the ranch. So yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Whenever John gets here, I'll introduce him to you and we'll look at the bike. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, Kim folk, John just pulled up, man. This is Mr. John. John, how you doing? Good to see you.
Yep.
And so yeah, like I said earlier, man, he ended up buying the wife's 2020 or 2012 C50T Boulevard, man, Suzuki Boulevard. He's got that thing shining too, looking good, looking good. So what do you think so far?
It's great so far.
Yeah, good stuff.
Nice crisp morning, and I think the sun will come out later. And
yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, man. So like I said, we're gonna roll towards Drifters, hit Yankees, and then if he's up to it, we'll probably end up running over to College Station to go to the ranch Harley Davidson, man, and see what's going on over there. So we're about to get on the road, see y'all in a little bit. We'll let you know how it goes once we get stopped and warmed up, because I know you're gonna be cold.
I am cold.
We'll see you in a little bit.
The islands.
Here at Drifters, man. Feeling pretty good now. This morning when we got here, it was pretty daggum cold. So John, what you think? This is your first time to Drifters?
Second time.
Second time to Drifters,
yeah.
But he hadn't been to Yankees yet.
Had not been to Yankees.
I hadn't been to Yankees. You were telling me that it's been 35, 40 years since you've ridden.
Yeah.
So that ended up. Okay, back from our commercial break. Battery went dead, had to change it out. All right, so the spark got put back into you because you rode some mini bikes, right?
Yeah, with
and
my brothers-in-laws, they called up and they said, we're gonna ride mini bikes today. And so that was my first time back on a bike, even if they were little. It was a lot of fun.
It was a lot of
fun.
fun.
Put the spark back in, and next thing you know, a couple of months later, I bought Dwayne's bike.
Yeah. Got the C50T, man, and it's running good, man. It's running real good. So
yep.
I'm really excited that John ended up buying it, getting it out on the road again, man. It's nice to see it back out there. So it's cool. It's cool to see it. It's a little weird to see somebody else own it, but it's awesome to see it out, man. So super excited. So glad that I met John, man. Good people, good people. So looking forward to doing a lot more rides with him, man, and him hanging out with us. He can probably end up being part of the group with this knucklehead here, since he's always always running around with us. And then that goofy there too. Look at that one. So, but yeah, it's gonna be good stuff. We're gonna head over to Yankees, check it out, and that'll be his first time going to Yankees, and that'll give. We're gonna eat a burger over there, man. So we'll see what he thinks on that, because we're about ready to eat.
That's right.
About ready to eat. So we'll get back with y'all in a little bit, man, and we hope you enjoy the video, and we'll be back here in a little while. Oh, we got it now, huh? We got it now. Got the burger. What'd you get? Oh, what the heck? Damn, man.
What was that?
You got a half pound, ain't it?
A half pound.
Bacon,
cheese, no mustard, because I don't like mustard.
Yeah, right on.
And another beer.
And another beer.
Thank you.
And then John, you got the same thing?
I got the same thing.
Same thing, half pound burger, man.
Right
First time eating the burger. Huh?
Yankees, that's right.
Yes, sir. And then D, what'd you get?
I got the same thing.
Same thing, man. What y'all got going on?
No tomato though.
No tomato, no tomato. I got the quarter pounder with the jalapeno bun, lettuce, tomato, everything on it, pickles, with onion rings, and they got fries, man. So, let's see what happens. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. actually headed to the Harley dealership, but John is gonna roll on out, man. So
Adios, amigos.
I appreciate you, brother. Hey, listen, thank
Sure
you so
was
much,
fun.
man. I appreciate you coming with us. I'm so glad we met.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good times. We're gonna continue to hang out, man.
Sounds
So
good to me.
I'm so glad that we ended up getting together. But he's gonna run on to the house. We're gonna run to the Harley dealership, and then we'll probably run the Frankenboltzzzz. Joel, do you want to go try that one?
Hell yeah!
Frankenboltzzzz, baby. Fuck, what am I gonna do with this boy? What am I gonna do with it, man? See ya! See ya! There you go. What'd your Uncle Dwayne do just now?
Man, nothing.
Huh? What did he do?
He didn't do nothing.
What did he do?
Did a big old burnout.
And he wasn't even recording. I know y'all ain't gonna believe me, but I did. I'm telling you I did. Look at this, man. Woo! Hey. That's sick.
Look at the headlights too.
Oh, bro. LP6s, baby. Oh, look at the turn signals, dude. Baja design all day. That's what you need right there, boy. That's sick. That's sick. That's pretty fucking cool, man. That's cool. What happens when you ride an Indian? Look, this is what happens. Look, we're at a brewery, and this joker's got to fucking work on his bike.
At least I'm not leaking water.
Oh, you know you gotta give your boy some shit, man. He's adjusting the clutch. We ended up coming over to Frankenboltzzzz, man, a little brewery. We've come here quite a bit, so the wife and the brother-in-law have done markets out here. They've done quite a bit of markets, and matter of fact, we got one coming up in December. So it's a really cool brewery, man. Nice little brewery here. So if y'all ever get a chance, come check it out. Y'all come check it out. What do you think of the IPA? Pretty good? Yeah. What do you think of the milk? Pretty good? I mean the water. But yeah, man, I got the YPW Premium. It's a really good beer. So if you get a chance, come check it out, man. We're gonna hang out a little bit longer, and then that'll be the end of it, man. We're gonna go on to the house after this. So what? But anyway, we'll holler at you in a little while. See you. All right, kiddo. That's it. We's out. It's dark as shit. Fucking cold as well. It ain't cold just yet, but it will be cold.
Yeah,
It will be cold.
I was planning to do a burnout, but I don't know.
He ain't doing no burnout. We're gonna head to the house, man. Look, I appreciate y'all watching, man. Until next time, until next adventure, man. Much love, much respect.
Knuckles out.
See you.